Hello everyone, this is Evan Abrams, and usually on this channel I'm talking about motion design, visual effects, very visual things. But we've overlooked a very important part of this whole process. It's the audio. So it's for that reason that we've partnered with Soundstripe here on the channel to produce this series that'll take a look at this often overlooked component of our work. This is a three-part series where we're going to be looking at the functions of audio, what it does for the audience, what it can do in our pieces, and how we make use of it. In the first video, we're going to be looking at some components, some terminology, some basic building blocks that we need to know, and then we're going to have a look at a couple of methodologies that we can use to incorporate audio into our pieces and to make our pieces work better with the audio we're going to use. Trying to match up audio and video in a motion design piece can feel like trying to get two boats to dock with each other in a choppy ocean. You really need to have a fixed point to hold on to something. So, in the second video of the series, we're going to look at an audio-driven workflow. This is the kind of thing you have to do in an explainer video when you have a voiceover, or maybe in a lyric video when you're working with a song that has lyrics, and you're not going to be changing that audio in a big way. We just have to make our visuals fit with what we're hearing. This workflow is perfect when you need to have a lot of synchronicity with what you're hearing, or when you need things to have a certain flow that can't really be interrupted. Then in the third video of the series, we're going to look at going the other way, starting with video and then layering on audio on top of that. We're going to open up Adobe Audition and see how we can create a mix that goes along with our already made beautiful animations. That means layering on sound effects and voiceovers and music and getting them into a pleasing mix so that our work is looking and sounding its best. Since we can't really talk about audio without having some high quality WAV files to push around, the good people at Soundstripe have come in to make this video series possible. They offer unlimited royalty-free music so that creators like you and me can create exceptional work. Their massive curated library is easy to search and filter. You can get in there and sort things by mood or instrument or BPM, and hundreds of tracks are being added every month, and premium members have access to sound effects and stems, and we'll get into more about why that's interesting later. All of this is available at a monthly subscription fee, but it gets you a perpetual license for all of your tracks. At the end of all this though, I hope this gives you a foundation to really appreciate the role that audio has in motion design. The first video of the series is up right now, so please check that out and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of them. Thanks for watching this intro to the playlist, and I'll see you around the internet.